Welcome to Snidbits, where we provide little bits of information on popular keyword searches. We leave the links in the description for you to do further research. Stick around, you might learn something. It's hot. So hot that you wondered who fanned the fires of Hades. Before you spontaneously combust, you run to your local web browser to search for a portable AC unit that won't break your bank account. Among your first search options will be the Chillwell Portable AC unit, because they've paid a lot of money to make it so. Their official product source website states that you can obtain a Chillwell Portable AC unit for $89.99. But wait, you can also buy two for $179.99 or three for $201.99. Gosh, buying three is so much cheaper than buying two, because who doesn't love being manipulated by advertisers into spending more money on a fictional deal? Reading the product details, it sounds like an amazing portable AC unit. Just add water and it will cool down a room in seconds. Wait, isn't that a swamp cooler, not an AC unit? You put water in it and it cools the room by blowing air through water vapor. Yeah, that's literally the definition of a swamp cooler. All the reviews on their website are 5-star, all three of them. Seems legit. You can find it on Amazon for $37, but it won't be marketed as the Arctos Chillwell. It will be under Ontel's name. Arctos and Ontel are the same company. It looks the same, it works the same, and it's made by the same company, but it's not the same. The only way to get an Arctos Chillwell portable AC unit is via their website. If you didn't fork down 90 bucks, it isn't real. Amazon reviews are a lot more enlightening than Chillwell's website. There is a 5-star rating, basically by someone with very low expectations. The overwhelming majority of 1- and 2-star reviews state it's a waste of money. It's just a gimmick, it doesn't work, and it's probably a scam. Reiki is an energy healing modality that involves balancing the ki or life force into promoting a healthy flow of energy throughout the body. Though it's been heavily westernized over the last 70 or so years, Reiki originated in Japan in the early 20th century. A Reiki practitioner uses a laying of hands to channel universal energies into the recipient. In essence, you are literally acting as a conduit to channel ki into another person, plant, or living being. Who can become a Reiki master? Do you need to have some sort of spiritual gift? Does it take years to learn and master? I'm a Reiki master, a crystal Reiki master, a certified energetic healing practitioner, and a licensed massage therapist. While there are some who do try to practice gatekeeping in Reiki, the truth is, it is the kindergarten of energy work. Don't get me wrong, it's a completely valid practice. It does work. It's just that so many who become certified as a Reiki master suddenly consider themselves on the par with a doctor, a guru, or a powerful wizard. Anyone can become a Reiki practitioner. Well, anyone who can cough up the $1,000 or so it takes to become certified, and you can take it online. My Crystal Reiki Master certification was $20 on Udemy. There's no minimum age limit, no previous educational requirements, no licensing process, no official internship. You take the 3 levels of classes called attunements that are usually about 2 to 4 hours long each, and voila, you're an energy healer. Thus, Reiki is the lowest barrier of entry in the energy healing biz. Chances are you're already doing first-level Reiki when you hug somebody with affection. Reiki attunement just clears the channel and provides you with symbols to use for focus. What does the average Reiki practitioner make? Depending upon the region you live in, the yearly income estimates vary between the highest in New York at $75,000 per year to North Carolina's low of $55,000 a year. Ooh, that's enticing. Based upon where you live, kind of dictates the demographic of people willing to pay you money to hover your hands over them for an hour. Most Reiki masters make their money teaching classes. Do you use white noise to fall asleep? Many people find the sound of white noise to be very relaxing. White noise is the vibrational frequencies that make up white light translated into audio waves. But have you tried red noise? Also referred to as Brownian or brown noise, red noise is white noise with a bit more bass. You might call it white noise's funkier brother. Described as similar to the sounds of pounding surf or a windstorm, red noise is supposed to be even more calming than white noise, but I'll let you be the judge of that.